Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer BitLocker recovery keys safely, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer BitLocker recovery keys safely, begin by gathering your devices. Ensure you have access to the computer with the BitLocker enabled drive. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel into the search bar. Click on Control Panel to open it. In the Control Panel, select System and Security. From there, click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. Locate the drive that is encrypted with BitLocker. Next, click on Backup your recovery key. You will be presented with several options for saving the recovery key. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Consider saving it to your Microsoft account for easy access. Alternatively, you can save it to a USB flash drive. Select the Save to a USB flash drive option and click Next. Follow the prompts to save the recovery key on the USB drive. Once the transfer is complete, remove the USB drive safely. You can also choose to print the recovery key for physical storage. If you opt to print, select the Print the recovery key option and follow the instructions. To reinforce security, store the printed recovery key in a secure location. You can also save the recovery key as a text file on your computer. Choose the Save as a File option to do this. Select a secure location on your computer to store the text file. Remember to keep backups in different secure locations. Avoid sharing your recovery key with untrusted individuals. Make sure to keep your recovery key away from the encrypted drive itself. Regularly check and update your backups as needed. If you change or remove BitLocker encryption, create a new recovery key. Review your recovery key management practices periodically. This ensures you always have access to your BitLocker recovery keys when necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.